Here we need to find the volume of the cylinder. The base of the cylinder is the original circle. As we learned in our tutorial, what is area in physics? The area of a circle is found by multiplying pi times its radius squared. Here the radius of the circle is 2 meters. So if we square that, we get 4 meters squared. Then we multiply by pi, a natural number, which value is 3.14, and we get the area 12.56 meters squared. The cylinder is made by extending a circle. So we just multiply the area of the circle by the length that the circle was extended. Let's say the circle is being extended by 5 meters. So 5 meters times 12.56 meters squared gives us 62.56 meters cube. Hence, the volume of the cylinder is 62.56 cubic meters. Hope the learner can see now how to find the volume of 3D shapes like these, where shapes that are made by taking 2D shape and then extending it along a third axis. We just find the area of the 2D shape and then we multiply it by the length that it was extended, and that gives us the volume. And it works for any 2D shape such as pentagon or diamond or star or heart. For any queries, send email to rhkstore@gmail.com or write in comment section. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, do share, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Stay home and stay safe.